Assalamu alaikum. Hope you're doing well. And I'm making this video in order to explain to all teachers how to log into our platform and to add the details. Well, we're really glad to announce that we have started our platform, and it's gonna make things a lot, way easier for everyone. And we will not have, any changes in the comments or whatsoever, or flapping or moving comments from one student to another. This will help all, make all our details accurate, and they will move immediately. They'll be moved immediately from our platform to the database, and the certificate will be printed out. All the certificates will be printed out as soon as they are done. So now I'm gonna share. I'm gonna use teacher patterns, as a sample. Well, let's see. So, here is the Excel sheet for teacher pattern, and this is our LMS, Just TOEFL Academy or Just TOEFL AC. So we'll have already sent you the username. Make sure you don't add spaces, and you copy the password without space. Make sure you do not add space or anything. You can click remember me, to keep the password, but I'm not gonna do that because it's not my account. So once you're done, you will click log in, and then you're there. So once you're there, you go down, and then you click go certificate table. And then well, here is the Excel or your sheet where you will be adding the grades. Well, I'm gonna add these details. Well, one thing you need to know is that the final projects in the platform are out of 7.5. So you will have to update this. I'm gonna do it right here in another sheet. So you will do this in order to get the right point. 7.5 times 0.775. It will give you, then you will click over here. Again, what did we do? We clicked equal, and then this field times 0.75. And then it will give you the right grade for all. If it doesn't give you all students' grades, you can just drag it, or you click over here and go to this place until you see the plus, then drag down. I'm gonna copy and then paste it there in the projects, final project, because 2.5 will be added to the attendance. Well, paste special values only. Still have 2 students. There you go. Anyway, now let's move to adding the grades here. So you will click on the first student. To help me make this clear, I will have to close some of the fields here or minimize the size of these. So that I can see the names of the students and their grades and just add immediately. And sometimes I'll just copy all these details select all, copy. I'll add a sheet and then right click, values only, and then copy again, add another sheet, and then I'll transpose. Click here and then transpose. Then you will get to see all students' details. I'm in here so that I can see all students. You have the name, the percentage. You will need these details. That's it. You will need these details. The rest is not needed. I don't need the rest because it's automated. Okay. So I'm going to start with the first name. I think the names are in the same order. So that's, who is that? Osama. Sometimes you have male and female, you have to fix it. Is that Osama? Let's make sure. Well, we have Aya in the first name. Where's Aya? Okay, here we go. Mhm. Anyway, Turkey, where is Turkey? It must be in the other class. So yeah, here you go. This class is for 3C. There you go, from Aya to this guy. So I'm gonna just do this one to explain how to add the grades for Aya and for the rest of the students. Skip this one, and you will need to use tab. You know, capital, you have a button next to Q, tab, so that you can move. You will click here, then tab, 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 tab. It will move from one field to another to another. Well, I'm going to start with the reading. So you do not add, first you need to add the attendance first, sorry. So the attendance here is 90%, and then tab. You have to add the percentage, then tab. Midterm, it has to be capitalized, true. Well, it says here, true. And then here in the reading, well, she got 10. So you will add 10 and then 0.00. You have to do it this way. We did this because sometimes you need to add, like you need to give a student 9.5 because we don't want to give students the full marks. And then the writing part will be 10.00. And then I move tab. This makes things way faster. 19 tab. Well, see, if I type 19 only, it will be 0.19. So I have to type 19.00. Okay. So again here, I'll give you another example. If I add only 10 and this part, well, it's 10. See, if I add 10 only, it will not be added. It will be, 0.10. So I have to add 10.00. Now, Google Classroom, it says here 10.00, and then final project. My apologies, I had to stop the timer. So again, we'll continue here with Google Classroom. Then I move to the final project. As I have indicated, it's out of 7.5. So you cannot add more than 7.5 because we have 2.5 for the attendance. So I'll add here, it's a 7.5, but 7.50. And then tab the final exam, she got 25. dot. That's that. And in regards to the comments, you have to copy and then, well, paste. It's going to be there as well. Then you have to click OK to make sure the details have been saved. So it says here that they have been saved. And then you click, actually, when you click next, another way is to click next. So let's go back and check Aya's. See, Aya's details have been added. So you will click next and add the rest, the other student and the other and the other, and so on. You have an indicator here, speaking 20, 10, writing 10, reading, midterm progress. Well, as for the midterm progress, we'll ask you to add these details, like 50% in the mid of the term, after they're done with the midterm exam. And true, if the student has had like more than, let's say, more than 8 days of, like 8 days, for 8 days, at least for 8 days, he has been or she has been present. And with this, we'll be doing this, inshallah, for next term in the mid of the term. And then you will update it at the end of the term and add the rest of the details. Well, one thing you need to understand is that if a student gets less than 69% in the final, so we'll do this in the mid of the term. If you give a student 69, for example, if a student gets 69 in the attendance and not 70, he will be considered incomplete, or he or she will be considered incomplete. So make sure, if the student is passing, he or she has to be above 70 in the attendance, 70%. I hope I have made things clear in this video, and feel free to ask any question. If you have any questions, feel free to ask at any time. I have sent the username and the password. By the time you receive this video, you will have received the username and the password for all teachers. Thanks a million, everyone. I hope you enjoy adding the grades. Please do so, because without these grades in your Excel sheets, and the certificates cannot be published. Thanks a million, everyone, and stay in touch, inshallah. Bye.